Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon and evening. Our statistic lesson is going to start now. Today's topic for our lesson is what kind of element cause students hard to achieve excellent result on mathematics courses, and we are going to find out the solution to overcome the issues by using the statistic calculation. Here is our teaching assistant today, which is me, Yunwen, Junyi, Heije, Nativatani, Nurul Nazwa.
Good morning everyone, my name is Wong Junyi. Machine number is 2779993. I am going to share with you all about the introduction and objective of our group assignment. As we know, statistics is closely related to subject mathematics, which both of them are always useful in everyday life. Mathematics is one of the important subjects in our education life, and it becomes a course that we should learn in every learning stage. Therefore, students should learn and put effort on mathematics course in order to gain a lot of skills that can apply in their daily life after learning mathematics. However, many students are always facing obstacles to get a good performance on mathematics course. In this survey, we are going to observe and investigate on how does the personal and environmental factor make contribution or influence their mathematics grade, and we can make conclusion on it so that they can have a specific direction to solve the problem and get an excellent result at the end. Our assignment has four objectives: to determine the background of mathematics course students, to observe daily activity of students who take mathematics course, to measure the achievement on their mathematics result, to investigate the factor influencing students' performance on mathematics course. That's all from me. Thank you.
I'm Paige. I shall be speaking today about data analysis and result that we get based on the responses to the survey. I will cover the background of the mathematics course students. First of all, we have a look on the gender of the student. There's quite average on the gender that responses to the survey, which is 51% of female and 49% of male. However, female students have the highest frequency of 76. Thus, the mode is female students. Next, we concern about student age. This chart clearly shows us that the major age, which is the mode, is 15 years old, with 79 out of 149 students. Age 18 and age 19 have the least students, which is only one student in a mathematics course. I'd like to move on to parent jobs. These two charts illustrate that most of the student parents work in other fields, with 53% of the students' father and 35% of the student mothers work in other fields.
Hi, my name is Madhyodini Karnagaran and my metric number is 278040.
This figure shows the vertical bar graph of students' number of school absence. The highest number of students, which is 118 students, absent to school between 0 to 6 days. Meanwhile, lowest number of students, which is only one student, absent to school between 49 to 55 days. Hence, the mode is 118 students who absent to school between 0 to 6 days. This pie chart shows that the number of students who participate in extracurricular activities. According to the pie chart, 54.67% of students who participate in extracurricular activities. Meanwhile, only 45.33% of students are not participate in extracurricular activity. Thus, the mode is students who participate in extracurricular activity with the highest frequency of 82 students. This pie chart shows the students' internet access at home. According to the pie chart, 86% of students have internet access at home. Meanwhile, only 14% of students who not have internet access at home. Thus, the mode is students who have internet access at home with the highest frequency of 129 students. Therefore, most of students have internet access at home, so they can search in the internet about mathematics, which makes them to get more interest on mathematics. So that makes students to attend the school most of days and can participate in extracurricular activity. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Najwa. My matric number is 27848. Now I have 3 points to explain. I will begin with the first one, which is student weekly study time. As we can see, the highest number of students that spend time their study is 72 students at 2 to 5 hours, and the lowest is at the more than 10 hours, which is equal to 15 students. The mood of weekly study time among students is 2 to 5 hours, and we can know that the most of the students cannot concentrate to study in the long term. Second point is about health status. Based on the graph, we know that the data distribution skewed to the right because mean less than median and less than mode. The maximum number of health status located at 5, which is equal to 73 students, and total students who are having poor health located at number 2. Equal to 14 students. Most of the students getting a healthy body and get a mathematics grades. Good. Lastly, romantic relationships. Majority of students now are not in romantic relationship that represent 170 students, which is 60% are male and 57% are female. Only 20% of students are in a relationship which is involve 20 girls and 13 boys. They're more focused on their studies than falling in love. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Yanwen. Next, come to our last data, which is student grade. And with using those formula of measure dispersion, we can analyze and obtain the mean is 10.96 and variance is 15.74 and standard deviation will be 3.968. From the graph shown, we can clearly know that most of them are score only 6 to 10 at period G1. But then in period G2 and G3, they score 11 to 15, which means that majority have improved their grade in second and third period. And however, for score 16 to 20 are seldom obtained by students because many of them are hard to achieve excellent result and maintain it every 3 periods. In conclusion, we found that they have some factors which may affect student mathematics result, which is the first will be health status. The results show that many have healthy body, so they will have enough energy to study, so this will not be the reason. And survey indicate many students are absent less than 6 days, so this will be not our reason too, due to their parents have homework and enable students to have their internet access at home, so this is not the factor too. Majority whoever girls or boys are also less to have a relationship with other, so this they can't be affected by the element 2. Finally, we found that many students weekly study time is only 5 hours and below, and this will be the greatest factor to affect the student grade. Therefore, weekly study time will be the main issue to solve by the student to get a good performance on their mathematics courses. That's all for our lesson. Thank you very much and see you soon.